What's going on, Gems? Riley here from Gem Naturals. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take this shrunken braid out and turn it into a style with more length and volume in just one day. But the gag is, I'm not going to be doing the tutorial. She is. Wait, what? You know, I really want to say I'm sorry for springing this on you, but I'm not. I gotta go. My Uber's here. Okay, but I don't know how to do the style. Well, figure it out. I gotta go. No, Riley. If I don't get the style right and my subscribers lose trust in me, this channel is ruined. Okay, fine. Listen, I got you. I got a plan. Riley, you'll be fine. Trust me. I gotta go. Where are you going anyway? To mind my own business. Bye. I got this. All right, so I just washed and deep conditioned my hair and detangled. Next up is
Ma'am?
Yo, what am I supposed to do now?
Girl, you lost the notes I get. Okay. All you gotta do is braid up your hair. You know how to braid, right?
Yeah, I know how to, yeah.
Girl, how'd you get this far being this clueless?
I'm not clueless. It's just that I usually don't do this because you do it for me. Ooh. Make sure you edit that out.
Yeah, I can edit that out. Anyway, just section your hair off into 4 sections, and then within each section, just braid your hair into 2 braids, okay? So you'll have a total of 8 braids, all right? If you don't end up looking like Susie Carmichael, then you got it wrong. Oh, yeah, that's about right.
I added a couple more braids, but I think I look a little more like I'm about to ask Craig for his VCR.
So from here, you're gonna wanna let this air dry, or you can sit under a hooded dryer, whatever you wanna do. But if you're not feeling looking like a rugrat, you can just throw on a satin cap and throw some hair jewelry on, and you can make a whole little style out of it if you wanted to.
Okay, not too bad.
See, I told you everything will be fine. I said trust me. Oh, hey, we starting the board. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Let me know how it turns out, okay?
You know, you still haven't told me where you're going.
Mind your business.
I hope this works.
Jade, Tyla.
Hey, okay, so yo!
Nope. Look at me. Look at my face. Focus. All right. Now that your hair is completely dry, what you're gonna do is just unravel your braids. So you could just wear this braid out as a style for as long as you like, but today we're going to stretch this style out even more.
Hey, you gonna edit this out, right? Because I can't let them know that I don't.
Yeah, I will edit this out.
Yeah, I'm not feeling this braid out, Riley, and it's not feeling me, so now what?
Dang, that was fast.
It's because you edited it.
Are we sticking to the script or not?
Okay, my bad.
Damn.
Go ahead.
Okay, now this next part is crucial, okay? I need you to be very, very gentle on your hair with this next step, okay?
Okay.
Now this is gonna sound crazy, but I need you to comb out your braids. In order to avoid your hair reverting, we're going to have to comb it out without using any moisture at all. But like I said, you gotta be very careful. The thing you want to remember here is that you do not want to spray any water directly on your hair. Just spray some water onto the palm of your hand and then work it into your hair. And then take just a tiny bit of the Twist Elongating Style Cream and do the same thing. You don't want to use too much product here because you don't want your hair to revert. And also, please be sure to baby those ends. So from here, you're just going to give yourself a regular twist out. Now once you are all done with that, you can either let this air dry or you can sit under the hooded dryer again. But in this situation, your hair should not take as long to dry simply because we didn't use that much moisture to begin with. And for added measure, you can even take each twist and wrap them around your head and secure them with bobby pins. This will cause the twist to stretch out even more.
Oh, this is Natural 85's technique. My homegirl.
Your homegirl?
She's my best friend in my head, living in my life.
Anyway, let your hair air dry and call me back.
So you gonna tell me where you at or no?
Bye!
Okay, I could just let this air dry, but I don't have that type of time. I'm getting under the dryer.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, so my hair's all dry. What's next?
Alright, so first you need... And then you... Don't...
Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Right. Oh, no.
Can't be happening.
What will Whitney do?
I'm ruined. This channel is over.
So I'm going to unravel these twists and coat my hair with olive oil. Oh, so I don't cause frizz.
Driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you pull off a stretched, voluminous twist out that I did 100% by myself. Yep, all me. All right, so let's read this top comment. Let me call this girl and see if she picks up. Hey, you ready to read this top comment?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So our top comment goes to our homegirl, Cocoa Butter Curls. And she says, LOL, not the meat scissors. She's talking about the thumbnail. I love it. And now I'm confused all over again. Is it a twin or an edit? My brain hurts. LOL.
Oh, no.
Okay. All right. Yeah. For the record, no, we are not twins.
She don't even look like me. I don't know where y'all...
I don't know. We don't look alike at all.
Not at all.
But anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay inspired.
Stay empowered.
And stay beautiful.
Really. Bye.
Never get old.
Hey, girl.
Ma'am, you know I'm actually recording. I'm so here for Team Lyric.
We're here for Team Lyric.
I'm so here for it.
But you messed
I'm
up the
recording,
shot.
so I love you, but go away.
Bye. Twerk. Love you, Lyric. You got a tail.